Bankruptcy forms. In my office, I keep it simple. Just fill out an intake form, provide some pay stubs. I'll do the rest of the work. Now, for those clients who have trouble sleeping at night, listen to this informative video on bankruptcy forms, and your lights will be out in minutes. So let's dive in. The first form you'll encounter is the voluntary petition for individuals filing for bankruptcy. This form, also known as Form 101, is the foundation of your bankruptcy case. It provides the court with personal information such as your name, address, and social security number. Form 101 requires you to disclose your assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. It's essential to be thorough and accurate when completing this form, as many discrepancies may lead to complications in your bankruptcy case. Form 106, also known as the summary of assets and liabilities and certain statistical information. This form requires you to list a summary of your assets and liabilities. Next up, we have the bankruptcy schedules, which are technically Form 106, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, N, I, and J. The schedules are a crucial part of the paperwork. The schedules provide a detailed financial snapshot of the debtor's financial situation, allowing the court, creditors, and other parties involved to understand the debtor's assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Schedule A, real property. This is where you list your real property. Simple enough. Also homes, land, timeshares, anything like that. It includes details such as the property's location, current market value, and any other liens or mortgages against the property. Schedule B, personal property. This schedule accounts for the debtor's personal property, items such as vehicles, jewelry, furniture, electronics, other possessions. It provides a detailed list of these assets, their estimated values, and any associated debts or liens. Schedule C, property claimed as exempt. Debtors use this schedule to list property they believe is exempt from being included in the bankruptcy estate. Exempt property is protected from liquidation or seizure to satisfy creditors' claims. Schedule D, creditors holding secured claims. This schedule outlines creditors with secured claims, such as mortgage lenders, auto loan companies. It provides information about collateral securing these debts and the estimated value of the collateral. Schedule E, creditors holding unsecured priority claims. Unsecured priority claims are debts with higher priority for repayment, such as child support or IRS tax obligations. This schedule lists those creditors and the amounts owed. Schedule F, creditors holding unsecured non-priority claims. This schedule accounts for general unsecured debts, such as credit card balances, medical bills, and the like. It includes details of each creditor, the amount owed, and the nature of the debt. Schedule G, executory contracts on expired leases. If the debtor has ongoing contracts or leases, this schedule identifies the agreements, whether they will be assumed or rejected during the bankruptcy process. Schedule H, co-debtors. In a situation where there are co-debtors, individuals who share responsibility for that debt, this schedule lists them along with the related debt. Schedule I, income. Debtors provide detailed information about their income, wages, self-employment income, rental income, and any other sources of income. Schedule J, expenses. This schedule outlines the debtor's monthly expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, insurance, and any other living expenses. Next up, we have Form 107, the Statement of Financial Affairs for individuals filed for bankruptcy. It's a crucial document. It requires you to provide detailed information about your financial history, including income sources, employment history, recent financial transactions. Form 108, also known as the Statement of Intention for individuals filing under Chapter 7. It's specific to Chapter 7 bankruptcy cases, and this outlines your intentions regarding secured debts, such as your car or house. You'll need to indicate whether you plan to surrender the property, reaffirm the property, or redeem the property. For those considering Chapter 7, Form 122A1 or the Chapter 7 Statement of Current Monthly Income and Means Test Calculation is crucial. This form helps determine if you qualify for Chapter 7 based on your income and expenses. It involves calculating your average monthly income over the last 6 months and comparing it to the median income in Pennsylvania. If you're considering Chapter 13, Form 122C1 or the Chapter 13 Statement of Current Monthly Income and Calculation of Commitment Period and Disposable Income is essential. This form helps you determine your repayment plan by calculating your disposable income and establishing the length of your repayment period. Finally, the Chapter 13 Repayment Plan is a fundamental component of Chapter 13 bankruptcy cases. It's a detailed proposal created by the debtor with the assistance of his attorney, her attorney, outlining how they intend to repay their outstanding debts over a period of 3 to 5 years. And there you have it. These are some of the essential bankruptcy forms you'll encounter during the filing process. Remember, it's crucial to seek professional advice from a bankruptcy attorney to ensure these forms accurately and you navigate the bankruptcy process smoothly. Thanks for watching, and good night.